glass fans. This is David Gomm in the stained glass studio, and about 2 years ago we hung some mosaic stained glass pieces that we had done for the Smith's grocery store in Springville, and it was a great experience. Today I'm going to show you how we can hang a couple of stained glass owls. But before that, since it is such a short, easy little demonstration, I thought it would be fun to revisit a little portion of the hanging of the great big huge mosaic. Now this is a big piece. This is 6 different sections, 2 feet wide and 5 feet tall. Was it 5 feet tall or 2 feet or 6 feet tall? Six. So 6 feet tall and 12 feet long, and we put a bottom cleat on each of the panels so that it was similar to the French cleats that cabinet makers sometimes will use to hang their cabinets on here, and you can see how we could just place it on there. I had 3 different strips on the wall, and you can see that here. Okay, so let's get on to the little, now this will be simple. Jeannie made a couple of owls, and they have some mosaic work done to them, and they'll be really easy to hang. Okay, these are corrugated picture hangers. They're not the most professional, and these are large ring picture hangers, and they're more rugged. Now Jeannie has a couple of these mosaic owls. Our daughter Sarah cut the boards out on her scroll saw, and Jeannie glued the glass on and then grouted it. Now we need something to hang these from. So I think what I'm going to do is just simply apply a hook. This is a very easy operation. Probably takes more time finding all the hardware than it will putting it in place. So these are short screws. I can't remember the size, but they won't go through the wood and the glass. And what's nice about them is that they're flat headed, actually pan head screws. I hold it just as I go in because I don't want it to spin on me. There we have it. Now let's check for the hang. Do we like that hang? Not so sure. It needs to kind of go like that, doesn't it? So I think what I better do, let's see, is move it over that way a little bit. The thing about this is that this ring can be used in a gallery. Now let's see. We wanted it to go this way, right? Now, just before putting this one in, I'm going to hang it to see if we like that hang. Oh yeah, that's better, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll okay, so that guy we've decided is okay, and then this one, more than likely, yeah, it looks like it's supposed to be just straight up and down, so it's okay. All right, and there we have it. Now see, this is nice because a lot of times the galleries will have a kind of a hook that go, and they need to go through something, so they'll hang off the wall just slightly, but that'll be all right. And then if you hang it in your own home, you can just put a screw in the wall and it'll hang right off the screw. Okay, there we go.